Hey, so what's up? I just wanted to do a quick video, a little unboxing, showing you what I got. It's a Driveline Performance cylinder head for the Yamaha Banshee. It's their own design, it's the stealth head. So see what it's all about. I just got this for Christmas. My wife got it for me, actually. Giving her some ideas and see what we got. Pretty good. Can't beat stickers for the toolbox. Gotta have stickers for your toolbox because you have to. So here's the head. What I like about this one is you can use any cool design, or I should say any cool head style dome for it, but it looks like it's, you know, the stock head. It's kind of a sleeper look. I like that. I don't know what size dome I'm gonna get yet because I got a stroker crank, so I'm building a stroker motor. Just not sure what size dome I want to run with pump gas, but so yeah, we got a gasket for the water neck, O-rings for each cylinder, and for the domes around the top for the spark plugs. It comes with acorn nuts and copper washers, and this stealth stock looking head for, I think it was like 130 bucks online. Let's see exactly what, I guess it's just the building material. I think it was like 139 bucks, so like $140. And it looks like it's a really nice quality casting. As I say that, might have to do a little bit of deburring right there on the water neck, but that's no big deal. That's not going to hurt nothing. Yeah, looks really good. And I do have right here my powder that I got. Ordered it from Prismatic Powders. They also own Cerakote, part of them, that group. So we got a pound of Lollipop Red, and I'm going to powder coat the head with heavy silver base, so it's got a really nice metallic metal flake to it, a lot of heavy flake, and then that Lollipop Red's kind of like a transparent candy color, so it'll have a lot of like nice red sparkle. And if you're familiar with my channel, you've seen my Banshee before, you know it's 1996, so it's got the red front and rear fenders and the yellow gas tank and radiator cover. So not going to do a whole lot of red powder coat stuff on it, but a few things, head being one of them. I think powder, or at least colored heads, look pretty good on them. So yeah, and I will say too, when I checked online, this was out of stock, and I sent them an email just saying, hey, you know, when do you think you guys will have this in stock? I'm looking to purchase it, just let me know. Within a couple hours, they emailed me back and let me know that, hey, these are finishing up our, you know, last machining op. They will be available sometime early next week. All right, cool, you know, that's great. That next, like, I think that was on like a Wednesday or Thursday, I emailed them. Literally that Monday morning, I got an email from them saying that they were back in stock. So I thought that was nice. They reached out. So that already shows me that their customer service is good and that they care. So it's a pretty cool head. Looks nice. Can't wait to see it powder coated. I'll probably do a little update video on that when it's done. I get it back. And yeah, stay tuned to the channel. I'm going to try to start making more videos, filming riding trips, just cool stuff, car shows, whatever, you know. I am going to, hopefully soon here, once, you know, we get done with winter in Ohio. It's not very good working in the garage weather, but I wanted to strip the Banshee down. I'm going to powder coat the frame, rebuild the motor, like I said, I'm building a stroker. You know, kind of take you guys all through that. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks.